2008 GMC Sierra Denali package work truck. I mean, it's ragged out. You can't hardly shut the door. Anyways, AC wasn't working. He had all kind of temperature sensor codes, and the AC light was flashing down there. There, it was flashing. You could put it on auto and it will work sometimes when you drive over a bump. And sometimes when you crank it up, it will work. But most of the time, it would not work, and the AC light would be flashing if you mash it. But I figured it was a temp sensor code, but I was wrong with the permissions. AC head pressure normal. It was saying something else before. It wasn't saying normal. It was a high pressure switch connector corroded. That's got it.
I get it.
AC request, yes. Head pressure, normal. And it's still got them temperature sensor codes.
It ain't blowing out what the shit
But that wasn't making it. It's been like that, he said.
Yeah.
We can check and see if it's got a cabin filter.
Yeah, let's check that before we go. Might
Take it out.
Yeah.
This right here, HVAC sensors. See, you got temperature sensors, actual minus 50. Minus 40, rear inside air temperature raw minus 40. It's open or disconnected. It reads minus 40. Minus 40 Fahrenheit and Celsius is the same thing. That's where they meet. Let's see. Sun load sensor. 225. Okay. Doug Desire 37. It's cold. It's cold now. But if you go in here, you want to check the permissions on the scan tool on these GM trucks with automatic climate control. AC permissions, what you want to look at. It'll say not denied, but it'll say grant. It'll say denied. It'll say something like restricted or something like that. I can't remember what it said, but it wasn't granted. It was something else. And the AC request, yes, it wasn't. And AC head pressure was saying it was out of range. It wasn't even reading. The high pressure sensor connector was corroded. I cleaned it with some battery thermal cleaner and WD-40. I sprayed that down in there and it works. Probably should really replace the high pressure sensor and the connector. But it's working. Okay. Let's see if it'll let me clear the codes. I fucking doubt it. Those temperature codes come right back. Okay, clear codes. Trying to do this and look at the screen too. Okay, I cleared the codes. We're gonna back out. Automatic HVAC. Display codes. It's gonna show them same fucking codes. The airflow and the passenger compartment temp sensor circuit shorted. Temperature control, 3 feedback circuit shorted to ground, output temperature sensor 6 and 7 shorted to ground. But that's not keeping the AC from running. History codes can be the same thing, same shit. Just ignore that. It's an old truck. AC works. Data display. Inputs. Let's look at that. AC switch. That's just when you mash the button, it goes active or something. Okay. If you want to check the buttons on a controller. HVAC sensors. That's some damn temperature sensors. Minus 50. The ones that ain't working. Okay. But the main thing you want to look at is the AC permissions. This is what it should look like. Okay, I hope that helped somebody out here, because I went round and round trying to figure out what a AC compressor fuse wasn't getting any power, and was the relay working right, and it worked and then it wouldn't work, and it was just a big mess. But it's fixed. Piece of junk's fixed. Alright, bye.